We've gathered a group of industry leaders from the technology and design community at Planet Innovation in Melbourne to judge some of the best innovations for the year in Australia and New Zealand.
Imagine if we could divert waste from landfill, help people in hardship, and get our young people off their screens and involved in the community. It sounds like a bit of a fantastical wish list, but FixEd is not only tackling one or two of these problems, it's tackling all of them.
With more than half of all jobs predicted to disappear in the next 25 years, it's going to be really important to teach kids new skills and new ways of thinking.
Well, you'll notice things are a little bit different to a traditional classroom environment. It's far more interactive and easier for our students to learn by doing, rather than working in hypothetical spaces with hypothetical problems. We collect all of these from local scooter companies that are just happy to give them to us once they're decommissioned. So we show the kids through a design process how to actually fix these. And at the same time, we take our students out of the classroom and we actually put them out into the community and we connect them with real-world users with real-world problems.
We're connecting with actual people and finding out what their issue is. The major problem we found was mobility. Our main project was to fix that and be able to get them to and from places. So we got the scooters instead of them going to landfill, and we came back here and we fixed them up. Once we got the roadworthy and it was all signed off, they went back out to the community and now they're being used with the elderly.
No, that's wonderful.
They've spent a lot of time going back and forth and having these ongoing conversations about the problems that these individual people are experiencing. So these students actually have a real life user in mind that they communicate with, and they develop a lot of these really key critical skills around developing empathy and having an understanding for connectedness and quality of life. And it's these skills that we really want to empower our students with, because they're not going to get outdated by the time they graduate and enter the workforce.
Charles Darwin famously said that it's not the most intelligent species that will survive, nor the strongest, but the one that's most adaptable to change. FixEd is a really clever way of teaching that will help prepare our next generation of innovators for the future.